14% left on this thing, but we'll see how far we can get. But anyways, that's 50 grand with trailer, whole 9 yards. So really kind of cool. The guy was a nice man. Came over and talked about it. Nice. They're thinking of putting a grill on there. We'll find a way to put a grill on there. It's nice. As we get into more, thank you for shopping online with us. But so many people, I have 2 rod and reels, and that's it. A lot of people buy a whole bunch of stuff, and they don't use it. You have all kinds of stuff. They have a little trolling motor on there too as well. It's kind of cool. So these are some nice jackets. Nice. Lightweight, rain time. Women color side. That's a nice little jacket. I like it. These are good too. I like them. Double XL. Not bad. $200, but that's kind of nice. Nice rain thing. They have all kinds of stuff here, man. You come here to spend money, it's a place to come. Doggy chamois, nice. So we'll get over the boats after this, after we run through the rest of this stuff. So, like I said, you can go on a trip, man, here, the whole 9 yards. If you're new to that Rappa backpack. Rappa, they have a shop in New Orleans, I think they used to. The one time I had a Rappa, I just bought it, and a muskie took it. And I was mad, and the guy goes, "You mad with it?" I said, "No, I'm mad about the Rappa. They're like $5-6 a piece, but they're worth it and they're good." So, we'll get over to here. Remember that? I was over at Lake, over at, what's the hell, Calhoun. Look at that. All kinds of good stuff.
How are you doing?
Not too bad. All kinds of good stuff. What's this?
Yes, sir. So those are we call them our lunker tamers. So
Oh,
it's
okay.
kind of a fish grip holder.
Oh, okay.
That's just kind of one of the things we sell, but we mainly specialize in braid cutting.
Oh, okay. All right. How's business?
It's
All right. We got all kinds of fun stuff here. This looks like it's some kind of a, they're like a, you want like a barn, like a, especially if they can build those stuff for you. Legacy steel buildings, nice. Very nice. Pipestone Point over there, as you can see. Woman Lake, north central Minnesota. I've been there before. You've been before. Woman Lake. Knee Lake, oh, Canada. Look at those big fish. Oh my goodness, look at that. Woo-hoo. Heck yeah. Look at that. Look at those big fish. There we go, man. Hell yeah. North Lodge. Fishing and hunting. There you go. Oh my, look at that bad boy. Whew. Some big animals, huh? I love flying ones. Nice. Jesus. Well worth it, you guys. Doc Warner's Alaska Adventures. And that's why you have to have a weapon. Those things are so heavy, and while you have to shoot those things. I love to go to Alaska someday. Sue Ellen doesn't like to fish, so I'll have to find someone to go with me. So, how's the cabin business these days, gentlemen? Pretty good?
not bad.
All right.
It's that time of year, but
I bet.
it's starting to pick back up.
Yeah.
Some more activity.
All right. Yeah. Get some candy here. Sunset Change Island. Oh my goodness, look at this sucker. Oh my goodness. So it's getting kind of low here, guys. I think we should be able to get one in here. Yeah, it's all about fishing. Ton of people here for a Thursday. They advertised this real huge Howard Lake.
I'll tell you about all three of our campgrounds in Minnesota. If you look at the very front,
Mm-hmm. How's business, northern Minnesota? I'm gonna get you.
All right. Well, I just wondered. I'd take that.
Yeah, definitely. Go ahead and take that with you. Like I said, you always take a look at the store. If you're looking to change your bill and stuff like that, you always take a look at that.
Ontario, flying, best way to go. Century Lodge, Eagle Lake. Oh. We got more dips over there, dips and mixes. My goodness. Paddle north. We get down to 6%, you guys. We have to get some fresh water and fresh horses. More knives. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you need a knife?
No. But I tell you what, we do custom knife making, huh?
Uh-huh, yep, you definitely do.
Oh, I tell you what, you want some knife, huh? Reminds you of Gene Simmons' guitar. He has something like this. He does, Gene Simmons.
Yeah, that's fair. It sure does.
All right, young lady. Never date a woman with a knife.
I'm just cleaning.
Either never date her with a knife. She may be good looking, but she could be evil.
Let me get the real knife.
Uh-oh.
This one's,
That's the real knife?
I'd be more scared of that.
Watch out for her. She's good looking, but you never know when she has a knife in her hand. See you later. Sweetheart. She'd be beautiful in redhead. If she's a redhead, she's gorgeous. So, more fishing stuff here. Getting down the end, guys. More fishing stuff. Look at that behavior, huh? Use a four-wheeler. They want 18 grams for this son of a bitch. More fishing stuff, lures.
Oh yeah, it is like what John Hewitt and I are all overthinking that too. I double
Yeti.
checked. They have a deal. They always have.
3% left, ladies and gentlemen. All kinds of fun stuff here. With the grills, we're getting down to 3%, ladies and gentlemen. That's not bad, $800.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get in the boats next over here. You know, I like boats.
This is that, yeah.
Party barge. We'll go till the end here. Here's the small ones. Can't get on that boat because of music. When it cuts off, it cuts off. Small little one for little young men. You can get on that thing. Plastic. So anyways, 1,800, not bad. Be fun for you and the kid or the kid himself, he or she.